Hi kids, Max worksheet for class 1 or grade 1, part 2. Max worksheet class 1 part 2. Shapes, circle, triangle, square, rectangle. A circle has dash corners, no corners. Circle has no corners. Then triangle. Triangle has dash sides, dash corners. See here. One, two, three. Three sides, three corners. Three sides, three corners. Square has dash equal sides and equal corners. One, two, three, four. Four sides, four corners. Rectangle has dash corners. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 corners. And equal side opposite to each other. Two equal side opposite to each other. 2. Then color the circle. Where is circle here? Find out. You color only circle. See here, circle. Color it. Where is circle? Here. Then is this circle? No. Here. You circle here. You color it. Then patterns. See here. Triangle, square, triangle, square. Then square, triangle, square. Then circle, square, circle, square, circle, square. Then circle, square. Then star, circle, circle, star, circle, circle, star, circle, circle, then star. Patterns. Next, number and number names. Match it. 26, 35, 42, 53. 26. Where is 26 here? TWENTY. 26. SIX 6. Where is 26 here? Match it. Then 35. Where is 35? THIRTYFIVE 5. 35. Match it. Then 42. Where is 42 here? Match it. FORTY 40 2 TWO 2. 42. Then 53. FIFTY THREE 3. 53. Match it. Then write the number names. What is this? 65. You write number names. SIXTY 65. FIVE 5. Then 72. SEVENTY 72. TWO 2. 99. NINE 90. 9. NINE 9. 100. HUNDRED 100. Next, big, bigger, biggest. Color the biggest ball. Which one is biggest? This is biggest, big, bigger. Which one is biggest ball? Is this biggest ball? You color the biggest ball. You color it. Color the biggest ball. Then tall, taller, tallest. Which one is tall? This is tall, taller, tallest. You tick tall only. Tall tree. Which one is tall tree? This. Next. more, less. Tick the picture with the more stars. Which one more stars? This is less star, this is more star. You tick this. Then long, longer, longest. Tick the longer pencil. See here. Long, longer, longest. You tick the longer pencil. Which one is longer pencil? Is this longer pencil? You tick this. Then tens ones. See here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. 10 ones. Tens. 10 ones. 10 ones. Place value 65. 5 is the ones place. 6 is the tens place. 5 is one place. Ones. 5 ones. 6 tens. 6 tens. Then see here one more example. 3, 3. 3, 3, 33. 3 ones. 3 ones. Then 3 tens. 3 tens. Then 132. Ones, tens, 100. 2 ones. Then 3 tens. Then 100. 100. One more example here. Ones, tens, 100. 5 ones. 4 tens. 4 tens. 100. 100. Place value. Next expanded form. 227. 227. 200 plus 20 plus 7. Then 135. 100 plus 30 plus 5. Then short form. 100 plus 30 plus 7. 137. 100 plus 50 plus 8. 158. Then skip counting. Skip counting, line pattern. Let us count in twos. Begin from 0. Skip counting twos. First one, skip counting twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 18. You write here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Skip counting twos. Skip counting twos. One more example here. See here. 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28. Skip counting twos. Then skip counting fives. Skip counting fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. Skip counting fives. Then skip counting tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. This is skip counting tens. Skip counting tens. Skip counting tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is skip counting tens. Skip counting fives, skip counting twos. Next addition. Addition symbol plus. 6 plus 2. 6 in the mind, 2 in the finger. After 6, 7, 8. Answer is 8. Then 5 in the minds, 5 in the finger. 5 after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Answer is 10. 1 plus 7. 7 in the minds, 1 in the finger. After 7, 8. 5 in the minds, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. Then in 1. Then 9 plus 0. If you add any number to 0, you get answer same number. See here. 9 plus 0. Answer is 9. If you add any number to 0, you get same number. 5 plus 0, 5. 6 plus 0, 6. Addition with number lines. 4 and 2. More is, where is 4 here? Here. 2 more. 1, 2. 2 more. Answer is 6. Then one more example here. 6 and 3 more is, where is 6 here? Here. 3 more. 1, 2, 3. 3 more. Answer is 9. Then addition word problems. Ishan has 2 lollipops. Meena has 5 lollipops. Total number of lollipops. 5 plus 2. 5 in the minds, 2 in the finger. After 5, 6, 7. Answer is 7. Next. Subtraction. Symbol is minus. 8 minus 3. 8 in the minds, 3 in the finger. 8 before 8, 7, 6, 5. Answer is 5. One more example. 9 minus 1. 9 in the minds, 1 in the finger. Before 9, 8. Answer is 8. 7 minus 2. 7 in the minds, 2 in the finger. Before 7, 6, 5. Answer is 5. 8 minus 2. 8 in the minds, 2 in the finger. Before 8, 7, 6. Answer is 6. 7 minus 5. 7 in the minds, 5 in the finger. 7 before 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Answer is 2. Subtract 0. See here. 9 minus 0. Answer is 9. If you less any number to 0, you get same number. See here. 7 minus 0. Answer is 7. 10 minus 0. Answer is 10. 8 minus 0, 8. If you less any number to 0, you get same number. Subtraction number line. From number 8, take away 3. Where is 8 here? Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. Answer is 5. Subtraction word problem. 4 minus 3. 4 apples on the table. 4 apples on the table. 3 apples are taken away. Dash apples left on the table. How many apples left on the table? 4 in the minds, 3 in the finger. 4 before, 3, 2, 1. Answer is 1. One apple is left on the table. One apple left on the table. Next topic, time. This is a clock. Clock tells us time. There are 12 numbers and two hands on the face of the clock. The short hand is hour hand, longer hand is minute hand. Match it. What time is here? 3 o'clock. Where is 3 o'clock here? Here, match it. Then what time is here? 5 o'clock. Where is 5 o'clock here? Here, match it. Then what time is here? 8 o'clock. You match it. 8 o'clock. Indian currency. See here, rupee symbol. This is rupee symbol, Indian currency. Match it. 10 rupees. Where is 10 rupees here? Match it. 10. Then 50 rupees. Where is 50 rupees here? Match it. Here. Then 100 rupees. Where is 100 rupees? Here. Match it. Then 200. Where is 200? Here. Match it. Indian currency, rupees and coins. Thank you, children.